In this home science journey, pancake chemistry reveals emulsions, aeration, and how heat makes batter rise into a golden stack. Bubbles form as fat and water mingle. Whisking traps air and heat expands the structure into a light, fluffy crumb. Viewers compare milks, flours, and temperatures, predicting which batter will rise tallest and bake fluffiest. Learning outcomes include observation, testing hypotheses, and safe kitchen science. The joy of discovery turns breakfast into a playful science lesson that inspires curious minds of all ages.